Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways to set up some context here. But a very, very impressive move. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, but eventually was able to fight all the way back up there, that was a great move. Any rational person would say, yeah, that move was definitely very bullish, very worthwhile. But it does also lead to a more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 0.035 mark. Why is 0.035 important? Well, and I'm not saying that this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the chart? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the chart quite literally right back inside of that area that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price could come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 0.035. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. The price is basically getting caught up right here in that purple line right now, which is the 50 period moving average. And you can see right now, just like I said, it's almost like a web and the price is caught up in that. But if the price can push up through that level, that would certainly be a nice additional sign of power. But all in all, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.